How to change a headlight bulb on a Honda Fit or Jazz 2007. I love Honda cars, but I have to say they messed up with designing the access point to the headlight bulb on this car. You'll need to detach the front half of the plastic wheel arch protector, which is possible to do without removing the wheel, but you need to have good contortionist skills. The plastic retainers holding the wheel arch protector in place can be removed by using the correct tool or adapting an old fork. It is also possible to remove them using a pair of thin nose pliers and a flat-headed screwdriver. There should be a few more retainers on this part below, but someone decided to replace them with self-tapping screws. Finally, you can pull away the arch protector. Now to wriggle off the electrical connector behind the bulb. Next, the rubber protector can be pulled off, which may get stuck around the bulb's connectors, so some patience is needed. On to removing the spring wire that retains the bulb. You'll need to unhook the loop of the wire which goes over a small metal hook on the lower right side. Use some thin nose pliers. Once free, the wire retainer can be swung aside, allowing you to pull out the bulb. The main headlight bulb has both the low and high beam elements, and its classification is a H4 bulb. Now seat the new bulb in the socket with the center tab facing upwards. Secure the spring wire and reattach the dust cover. Push back on the electrical connector. Refit the arch protector and the wheel. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.